So let's install Python in our system. The first step is to go to this URL, python.org. You type python.org and then this web page will come up. Here you can see that if you hover your mouse over the Downloads tab, here is a button that says that you can download Python for Windows. And if you have a later version, if a later version comes up, right now the current version is 3.9.1, there is no problem at all. Whatever that we will discuss in this lesson will be compatible with the later version. And if you have a different operating system, you should click here to get the installation file that is compatible with your system. So we are clicking on it and then the download starts, as you can see. We click on it, the download finished, we press run here, and then here we don't forget to click on here that says that we are going to add Python 3.9 to path, and then we press install now and the installation will begin. So the installation has finished, we press close here, and let's see now what we have actually installed. We have installed the interpreter, and what is an interpreter? It's a program that reads and executes code. We write our program using the Python syntax and the interpreter will execute it without making an executable file as in other programming languages. Let's see now this program in action, this interpreter program. We press the start button in our computer and then we press command. And here we press enter and then the command prompt appears. So here we're ready to run the interpreter, and the interpreter is a program that is called Python. So we have to type Python here, and then the interpreter begins to run. We see the program version, Python 3.9.1, then some other things, and then here, this is the important, these three right arrows, is the interpreter prompt. Here, the interpreter prompts us to write our commands. And this is going to be our actual goal. We should learn the Python commands, their syntax, what they do, and then we will be able to write programs. Let's see some examples here, and this is the goal of this first lesson, to learn some commands. The first command that we are going to learn is the print command that prints something on the console. Let's see it. This is the command. You see I typed print and open parentheses, then double quotes, then a string, some characters, then double quotes again, and then a parenthesis. And this message that I wrote on the print appears on the console. Let's see other type of commands. Another one command is to make mathematical operations. Let's type 1 plus 3 and the result is 4. Let's type 8 divided by 3 and the result is 2.666, etc. To stop the execution of the interpreter, we type quit and then open close parenthesis and we type enter. And then, as you can see, the interpreter has stopped running. Now, this environment, the console with this black screen, is disgusting, and it's going to be very hard for us to type our programs here. So in the next video, we are going to install an IDE, a program that will make our lives easier to write our programs.